acquisition, first we click on suggestion. In suggestion, request. So let the request form will come. Right. Now in request number 7, request reference number, suppose 222, this date, click department, because we have already created department here. In administration, we have created department. We have already created department. If you click on administration, there is a in acquisition master, and this is vendor. General master, institution detail. In institute detail, we have created the department, right? So we'll go right now to this acquisition in request. This is a new request. So go to the PGD line department and requested by. When you select a department, the request status will come up over here. So requested by the name of the person. So it is requested. Next is this is requested. Now title of the book. Suppose library. 1 minute. Administration of academic library. Right? Administration of academic library. Now we can check duplicate from here. If you click on that, it will go. Now search. It will search the databases, and there is no book. So in that case, you can close it. Close करने के बाद, then come to the first author or author first name. Suppose in first name, take Manju Khan, last name. The publisher name, we have already create publisher detail over here. So it is coming, and where we will go for the publisher detail in administration, in acquisition, vendor management. Here we'll input the publisher detail, right? So right now we are in acquisition, we're in new request. So there we have already done, that's why it is coming. Now take Royal Book House, Calcutta. Now this is the textual document, edition first. When it's first edition, we need not to mention it, but it could be third edition. Now ISBN number, anything you would like to give, year 2020. Then come to the price, is 800 rupees. Number of copies, 1 or 2, right? So you can ask 2 copies or keep it for 1. Conversion you need not to give over here. Here you can select budget, and budget where from we can get in administration. In administration, in the acquisitions, this vendor, general master. Here is the budget. So you have to create budget head, income and expenditure, right? Now select the budget. You have already created budget. If you have any remarks, you can give over there. Rest, you can. We have already. So rest reference number 4444. Okay. I'm saving. Record insert. Would you like to another? No. Just close it. Once you close, so we have request. Now the gratis item we have already told, this is for the any kind of donated book. Then next is select for approval. You just click on that and wait and all. When you click all, this will come. Administration of academic library. Now save it. Just save. Selected for approval. Okay. Now close it. Now when you have selected, then you have to again go for the approval process. Just go to the approval process. This is approval process screen. You just go. You can click on over here. All. Yes. This is your book. So you have to click on that and just press on approve. So who is approved? Approved by library committee. This is a good book. Right? It's a remark by the library committee. So save it. Just save it. Once it will save, it will be activated. Book approved. You can reject it. When it's done, you just close it. This is a direct approval process, right? It's a direct approval process. Now export, delete, rejected. If you wanted to direct without any request, if you wanted to approve any book, you can click over there. Right? So export and deleted or rejected, because we don't want to do that, so there is no need of that. We should directly go letter of approval. Today's date, I do not know. You can export data, so you just close it. Now go to the letter for approval. Just click on that. Just select by date, today's date. Now this is approval has done. So we can immediately send mail to the person who has requested for that. Your document has approved by the library committee. Now close it. When this process has done, then we have to go order process. So just click on the order. So now approval has done. We'll start processing for the order to the bookseller. Now new order. Just click on that. Right. So you can put some order number over here. You can put 555444. You can give Krishna Book Private Limited. Then or no, just Krishna, right? Add item. You have to add the item. Just click add item. Yes. Just select all. This books will come up. This book. We have already approved it. Just click on that and save it. Once it will be saved, it will come to you over here, right? It will come over here. It is there. So approve one order number. So 5444 is the order number. Now save it. Total rupees is 100. Just save it. Right. Record inserted. Just OK and close it. Now, here you can see we have done new order. If you want to cancel this order, you can just click on that. You can click on that and cancel the order. It's a simple process. So we cannot go further. So just close it. We need not to do that right now. Just close it. And this is a direct order. If right now what we have done, we came through the suggestion process. If you want to direct purchase anything, so this is the main. So you can directly go and directly add and directly order. Now this is a reminder letter. Reminder letter is for if the bookseller has not given us the book on time, so you can remind them that you have not on time, just we're giving another 2 days, please give us the book, right? So this is done. So order processing has done. Now we'll come to the accession. Now you have given order. Now this is receive order. Right? Just click on that. So we have to do, this is the Krishna book, and order number we'll see. This is the order number. So you just click on that. This is the item summary. Order copy is 1. Receive item, it should come 1. Now, when you place received item, order item, just say receive. Item received. Or received. Who have already done received. The message will definitely come over here. Item received. Okay. Now you can, when it will be activated, you just press on that. Right. You just close it. When you close it, then we received, then we go for the accessioning of the item. This is scale. So we'll do accessioning on that. So we can, this is our order. You just click on that. You can search for filtered by title, date, or order number, right? You just press search. The whole item will come over here. So here we cannot find. So again, we'll go to the receive order. This Krishna book, oh, it has not been received right now, right? So here I think select all, then receive entire item, received entire order, received item, order closed. Okay. Now when order closed, you just close it. Now go for the accessioning once again. Yes. It just came automatically once it is ordered. So we have done one mistake in the previous step. So we have to be very careful. We have to select it and received entire order. Then it will come over in the accessioning process. Now just check on that. Click on that. Here, what we need to do, we need to auto assign, right? Just click on that. Just telling us last accession is T3, right? When auto assign will come, so we have choose it as a textbook. So when you are choosing textbook, then T will come, right? So last accession is T3, so we'll do it T4. Now, no, it will be P, and starting number will be 4. Now here we have to have right the number of digit. You can do 4, 3, 2, right? Because this is 1 digit and your accession number. So it will be better to give right now for a 2. So, दो हमें लिखना है, otherwise ये नहीं लेंगे. Just click on that. look here. Now we can find accession number has came over here. When accession number will came over here, so we'll merge and save it, right? Merge and save, or you can do save. That is the best option. So it will save to the database. Now here you see the mark record is also inserted with necessary tag field. The mark ID is 8, right? Just close it. Okay. Once in okay, it will go to the directly to the book catalog. Record insert. Okay. Now you just close it, right? Now your accessioning almost done. Accessioning. Now you can go for the payment. Yes, this is another important aspect after accessioning. In accessioning, we have received it and accessioned it. Now we'll go for the payment. Now here, invoice process, right? Just click on that. So we have an invoice process, payment, refund process, forwarding to accounts. Now invoice process. Now here you can see Krishna books and yes, it has, because we have received, we have to process this invoice. Just click over that, and if you want to take some kind of discount, overall discount, you can take 5%, right? So we'll just say calculate that amount. So no percent. Oh, we have to give percentage. Why it is coming? Okay, let them calculate. It will also show how much amount is available for, right? Miscellaneous is something you can add on that, rounded off. So why it is not calculating the, okay, let's see. Discount process. Just click on that. It should calculate the discount. Yes. Oh, this is for conversion rate, order, receipt, Indian rupees. Yes, here you can give 5% discount. I will tell you one important thing. For any Indian book, it is 15%, 10 to 15% discount mandatory for any libraries in India, and 20% minimum for foreign book. And you can take any percentage up to your capacity, right? So just take 5% over here. So it has calculated. Now we can process the invoice. So we have already selected over there. We just process the invoice. Oh, we have to put the invoice number. So where is the invoice number? Yes. So we can take this number. Order number and invoice number will be almost the same. You can take reference number 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. Right? The email we need not to give. So right now we can process it. Just process. Invoice we have done. Na? Right. Search. Add invoice. Add invoice. Let's see. Right. It has came. Oh, it has came 3 times because I have created. So just click on that first time. Add it. And close it. Right. Just came over here. So after invoice process, we are in the payment process. Just click on that and by check. reference number 1, 2,
So,
DD number, check number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, bank name SBI, Kushambi, amount is ना, यहाँ पे आप लिख सकते हो कि it is urgent, pay them. So you have add invoice, or you can remove this invoice. Now process the payment. Once it is done, you just click on, it should be selected, then process the payment. Payment operation completed. Now close it. Once payment has been done, then you need to forward this thing. This is refund process. If you want to refund it, you just click on that, take amount PD, you just refund, add item through here. You can nothing to select. Wait, browse. It does not came over here right now. No, that's not came. So through this, you can uh, refund this process. Now we need to forward to the account section for payment. Just click on that. Now here is the now invoice number, not 23. This is 544. Now just display. Yes. To the account section, forwarding this. Now this is invoice number 123, date Krishna book, 760 rupees. Right. So it will go by mail to the account section. Now when it has done, you just close it. Now come to the order. We are in order. We are order. Then we have action. And we are payment. Now we go to the catalog section. In cataloging, just click on that. Title in process. So when it will be finished in acquisition, when it will be finished in reminder letter or purchase order, sorry, in payment mode, when we payment process, we done payment process completed, then only we can go to the catalog, right? So first suggestion, then order, then actioning, then payment. After payment forwarding to the account, we can come to the catalog. So just go catalog and just clicking on cataloging. Once in cataloging, you will get two options. One is title in process and data operation. So we just click on the title in process. Right. Now, uh, this is already came over here. Whatever the payment has done, when books along with you, here you can see the list of book you have ordered. So whatever you wanted to do accessioning, you just click. It is already accessioned. ये ऑलरेडी एक्सेशन करा हुआ है क्योंकि इसमें देखिए एक्सेशन नंबर है. तो आप क्या करोगे, यू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट and just you can edit it. You can edit it with the subject heading, call number, and everything, right? So you can go to the edit directly, then we can put it to the circulation. So just edit. So in edit, it will take 1-2 minutes for coming this page. It has came. Once it is came, we can do one thing. This is class number. So administration of academic library, what will be the class number in DDC? Can you tell me? Why? No, this is library operation. Um, 0, 0, 2. So you can do right that. And His author name is Manju Kant, so Kant, K-A-N. Location, third floor. Here you can see the location, third floor. Reference, third floor. Shelving location is fifth shelf. Books. Invoice number I have done 2444 and rest of the things is almost fine.
So 5444 sir. Invoice
Oh,
number.
oh, oh, correct. 5444. Right. Then, student, here one important thing. Remainder title. Do you know remainder title? You don't have any idea of remainder title, right? Remainder title is nothing. Suppose one title has published long back, and sometimes the foreign publishers or foreign booksellers, what the old copy of the books are selling in India. That is basically called remainder title, right? So remainder title is kind of thing. If you wanted to added entry, with just one added entry, you can put one, right? That's it. So everything is done. And have you seen one important aspect you have done in BLIS also? The everything in mark format, $A, $E, and $B, $C. You're getting this information. This is basically called mark format, right? So one it has done, you just save it. So academic library administration of academic library, you just save it. So record is saved. Will not go for the entry operator optional entry. This is another optional entry. So we just click it. This is an optional entry, right? Varying order title. So you can also do some kind of entries over here. So now we'll go to the main entry and we'll just main entry and we'll just close it. Once we'll close it, then we can put it to the circulation. We just press over here. The book will immediately go to the circulation. So already it is selected. Go to the circulation. Selected entry is now available for circulation. Okay, that's great. Close. Now we need to check through the OPAC. Is that our book has gone or not, right? So we'll go to our OPAC and in simple search, we'll go simple search, we'll select title and administration, A-D-A-M-I-N-I-S-T-R, administration. Just search, no result. So this book, accession number T4 is available. The call number is that. Third floor, location is third floor. Right? If you click on that, if you want to see, if you can select so the book. This is a book, and here you can see the detail of the book. We have forget to give the subject keyword, class number. The class number we have already given, but it has not came over here. No problem, and we can give it. Status is available. Here you can see the location, third floor, fifth rack. Right. This is all about. You can take printout. You can send it through mail. Anything you can do. This is the. You can export this data through XML. That means web cataloging is easily possible. Now you close it. So your T4 accession number book is available in the library. Now close it. You're done. So in cataloging, both the things done. You can do export and import. You can take some of the mark record and you can download over here, right? So anywhere you have some mark record, mark database. Suppose the same database you have created in a MS Access or DVMS or CDSIS Unisys in a mark, that databases will be imported over here without any problem. Now, these are the user service. What are the different user service? You can take report, you can create current awareness service, you can select create bibliographic service. In current awareness service, you just click on that, have a look. What are the services we can provide through current awareness? Yes. Here you can put the subject. Through subject, suppose I wanted to library, because we have not done any this language. That should be English. Let's see. And author is Kant Manju MNJU. So report template. Oh. Consider date here. Okay, so there is no report template. We have to create a report template before doing CAS, current awareness service, right? So we have nothing to do over here. Now here, bibliographic service. If somebody comes to your library and if they ask for the some bibliography on a specific subject, you can give through these bibliographical services. You can give them printout, you can give them the detailed bibliography. Here also we need to create template for that, right? And template can be done in the administration section. Now just close it. So it has done, cataloging has done, then we'll go to the circulation. Now the main important aspect in the circulation is membership. How we are going to do the membership? Just click on that. Now when you are clicking that, this option will open up. Now it is new member, copy member, search member, delete member, renewal member. Just new member. Now here, when you are here, so you just select, you have to wait little more time for selecting institutions, or you can click over here, you can add institutions, or for adding institutions, the best option is, here it is coming, the institution is coming, Rajguru College, and our study center name will come. If you click on that, here you will find our study center. PG Dillon Rajguru College. Okay, you just click on that. Then you will find some subject over here, right? So it is already inputted. Where you are going to input this information, just wait, let the things will come. Then I will be able to exit it. Yes, these two department has came. PG Dillon semiconductor, PG Dillon microbiology. You have branch described the in department. We have described the branch. Now you just exit over here. Right? Let the institute come. The best part to input the institute is go to the administration. Here institution detail. Here you have to create institute and different department, right? So right now we are in circulation, we are in membership. So again, we'll go to the add. Still, it has not taken. Here, we need to add. Sorry, we need to press the add one. So when you press add over here, the institute will come. Now it is a teacher. Now 0771P, our English Study Center, PG Dillon, and course is semiconductor. Words. Great. Now surname is Ali. SHY Shayad. And birthday he rakhe Shayad. This is a good birthday.
Yes. Yes, sir.
member ID. We can active mail teaching member ID. They will generate member ID, right? So we can keep some code 1234. It will not going to take. Now deposited amount will take more amount from Fayed. Okay, let's take these are the amount we have taken, maximum due to rupees, receipt, right. Then save, save it. When you will save, the system will generate one member ID, member code, right? We have to remember that particular member code. This is a member code. Just remember it, right? You just click a snapshot. Now, yes, it will automatically, and this will be printed in a barcode, right? So we have nothing to worry on that. Are you sure you want to add the code? Yes. Once you add the fill, add, yes, membership is inserted. Now we can exit from this place. Transaction menu, right? Just click on that. ये आ गया ट्रांजैक्शन मेनू. आप बुक का एक्सेशन नंबर डालोगे पहले. आप बारकोड से बुक का एक्सेशन नंबर स्कैन कराओगे या खुद डालोगे. तो मैं डालता हूं T4. डाले थे जी, एंटर मारो, ये डिटेल आ जाएंगे. फिर यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे, हम अभी सैयद को किताब इशू करेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले आप लोगों को पता होना चाहिए हमारा डॉक्टर साहब का आईडी क्या है. ये किताब आ गया. T4 डालते ही किताब आ गए. The books has came. The name of the books has came. When you are putting the accession number over here, now here you have to put the ID number of the member code, right? So what will be the member code? It's just 01 PGR 1200003. Am I right? Just enter it. You can press issue. After that, when it will come, the detail will come over here in this section, right? When it will come, you just press issue. The book will be issued in the name of that Syed Ali. And if you want to return, when you return, I'll show you how you are going to return it. ये तो एक्सपायर हो गई, फिर भी इशू कर देते हैं इनको. ओके, so we'll issue. Why it is expired? Because we have given different name over date. We have not mentioned the date, current date, right? So in that case, what we'll do, I'm taking some time, or we can give another member ID. We'll just press over here. Let's see. इस व्यक्ति का अभी एक्सपायरी नहीं हुआ डेट, तो हम क्या करेंगे, ये ऑलरेडी एक बुक यहाँ पे इशूड कर चुके हैं. अगर हम F3 या इशू बुक्स डालते हैं, यू कैन प्रिंट इशू स्लिप भी क्लिक करके प्रिंट कर सकते हैं, राइट? यू कैन टेक प्रिंट आउट ऑफ अ इशू स्लिप. यू जस्ट प्रेस ऑन दैट इशू बुक. Member exceed privilege. Would you like to issue more item? Yes. I wanted to give another item, right? So it has been issued. Item has been issued. Now, if you want to return, before return, what we'll do, we'll exit from here and we'll search by title. We'll go to the UPAC and in simple search, we'll find the book. Title, administ, administ, M-I-N-I-S, M-I-N-I-S, administ, You can put this one and you can search the books. The books is, now here you can see the issued, right? Status is issued. Last time we have seen it was available, right? Now you go, and if you want to return this book, again go to the circulation, go to the transaction, and in transaction menu, and in transaction menu, just click on that. The transaction menu will appear. Here is the return. So you want, if you want, you just put the book number when a book will come. The P4 return directly. When you're pressing T4, you have just put one enter, then you have to return it, right? This is the process basically. What I have done, I have put T4 and immediately I press return. That's not the process, right? When you are taking through barcode take one, when you are reading through barcode, it take one enter. That's by default. Or you can connect with this thing with, no, it will not work basically. Book has been returned. Okay, it has done. Still we'll go to the OPAC and we'll check through title, add AMI. So result, now it's available, right? Now it's available. So book has returned. So this is the way you can perform your issue return in the Soul software, right? So this is all about your circulation. And yes, here you can search after transaction menu, search by title. You can charge as overdue. You can search by title. You just on here you can find issued item on ILL, means interlibrary loan, or issued item. You can type library, search. There is no book or ADMINI. Search any book, no book found. So there is another book issued on the name of that person. We forgot, right? So you can search through that. Then this is overdue charge. If you click over there, you can see the overdue charges. What happened? Yes. How many books are there and what is the overdue? Here you can put the member barcode. So if we put this barcode, 01 PG or 1200002. Search. Is there any overdue of that book? Definitely it will not come. There is no overdue. So no record found. So of course this person don't have any overdue, right? So if that person has overdue, it has come. Then exit. Just exit. Then book bank. It is overdue. Then book bank. Book bank? What happens sometimes? Many institutes, what they'll do in the beginning of the session, they issued majority of the textbook, the important textbook, and suppose 10 books for each student. So the book bank can be processed through this menu. You can put member code, you can put accession number and book price, and you can issue that, right? So it will be issued, and due date you can do with your own, right? You can put as a January of or December of 2020 or something like that. So it's a very, very interesting feature with this. Then it's a reminder, if some books is overdue, you can take a reminder. You can give reminder to them. Yes. So here is null. There is no book is overdue. So immediately you select on show on that, and it will give you the. So there is no book. I should not press show. Just so you can give reminder. Then circulation group. I will show you what is that. Continue. Exit. Then reminder after reminder circulation group. Here you can do to whom you are going to give. Suppose you are created a group, the teacher group, faculty group, or researcher group, or some student doing some project. So you can create one group for the specific circulation rules, right? That can be possible through this option. Then stock verification. If you click on that, suppose by by each of the cells you can search it. Suppose verified stock, keep track how many books you can put the accession number over here, import accession number, and you can exit it, and you can take import from you can import the whole file from here, right? That can be possible, and that can be possible through the barcode reader also, and RFID system also. So stock verification is very interesting feature in this software. Next is member login. If you want to go to that particular option, if member knows their member ID, they can. Suppose we are putting over here the member ID 01 EG or 1200002. So just go log in. Here is the report by date. So it will show how many books issued by a particular member, right? And how many times they have logged in, right? So they can see there. So just logged out. Now logged out and exit. Okay, when logged out done, it will come. Just exit over here. Then book transfer. It's very simple option. Here what we can do, when suppose a main library, it's basically if they acquire books for everybody, what they do, they transfer books in different sectional library. So it is main library. Select destination library, because we have not created over here. You can create some departmental library. Then you can put over the accession number, and one by one you can put the accession number, and that books can be transferred. You just press transfer, it will automatically transfer to their databases, right? So you have a record that much of book has been given to the other department library. Now exit. So this is all about your acquisition, cataloging, and circulation.